Hello everyone, and welcome to our Math 142 College Mathematics Online course this fall of 2014. My name is Nathan Kurtz and I'll be your instructor throughout the semester. Right now I'm on the course home screen, and I just wanted to quickly tell you, the first time you log on to MyMathLab, if you've never used it before, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this browser check and follow the information that it tells you. It'll tell you what to install so you can use MyMathLab properly. You only need to do this browser check once per computer. If you've already done it, you can go ahead and skip that step. The first thing you should do is go to the Start Here, which most of you already have done to see this video. It tells you in order how you should go through and get up and running in this course. First and foremost, always click on the Announcements tab right over here to the left to make sure you check any announcements that I make on a weekly basis. When you click the Announcements tab, you will see a little letter. You can click on that, it'll expand it and tell you what's going on. I try to post announcements every couple of weeks to keep you attuned and to make sure everything's going alright. The next thing you're going to want to do is print a copy of the syllabus and read every word. Click on this Syllabus tab right here, and there will be a PDF copy of the syllabus. I highly recommend printing it out so you can see and read all of our classroom policies and what my expectations are of you. The last page of the syllabus is the schedule, so you'll also have the schedule printed and ready to use. You could always click on the schedule button and see the overview of the entire semester. One thing to note with the schedule, this is an absolute deadline written next to when the quizzes are due. You can work ahead in this class. In fact, you could finish this class in 1 week if you wanted to and did all the work. I don't think it's possible, but you can work ahead. You can take the exams early, and I encourage all of you to do that if you can. The next thing you're going to do is click the How to Do assignments on this left-hand side. There are 4 different types of assignments, 3 that you're going to do for each question, and then there's 4 tests throughout the semester. These tabs over here on the left are going to explain in grave detail how to do each one of the assignments and get the most out of it. The first and easiest is the lecture assignments that you're going to be doing. When you click on this, it'll tell you exactly how to go through the lecture assignments, and you can click here in the red to watch a video of me explaining how to do lecture assignments. A large portion of your time will be spent in the study plan. I made 3 different videos to explain to you how to do the study plan properly. I've also written several pages of notes with screenshots to make sure you know how to properly navigate it, what to expect, and so you don't get too frustrated in the experience. Once you learn how to do the study plan and get comfortable with it, it'll be very easy and a very fast process for you. This is essentially how you're going to learn how to do the problems for the course. Quizzes. I've made a video to show you how I'm actually going to assess you, which is through quizzes for each section. You do have to do the study plan before you're able to take a quiz. And then finally, there are tests that you're going to take. There are some very important rules for the test. First and foremost, exams are proctored in this class, which means you will have to come in with a legal ID to take an exam. You cannot take the exams at home. I need to make sure it is you taking the exams. There are also specific days which you will be able to take the exam, which is only Monday through Friday. You cannot take exams on the weekend. And note that exams do close at 5 p.m. on Friday. There are 4 exams listed on the schedule. You can take them early if you want, but you cannot take them late, so be aware of those. You'll be using guided notebooks. The guided notebooks is just a lecture shell that you're going to take notes when you read, and you're going to fill in the blanks solving the problems. You will be turning these notes in throughout the semester. They count as 10% of your grade. You'll come in and turn them in when you take your exam. Assignments tab is where virtually our entire class lies. You'll see for every single section there's 3 different types of assignments: the lecture notes, the study plan, and the quiz. You're going to want to complete them in that exact order. Always start with the lecture notes, filling out the guided notebook. Go to the study plan, earn your mastery points, and then take the quiz. If you don't do well on the quiz, you're going to want to go back to the study plan, earn your mastery points, and practice again and retake the quiz. You can retake the quiz as many times as you want until the due date of the actual quiz. Conveniently located next to the quiz is the due date and time when you have to have it finished. Notice that there are multiple quizzes due on one due date. Typically you have 2 to 3 quizzes to do each week. When you scroll down further and you're getting along, you will notice I have posted a practice test before every single test. This is where your practice test is located. It is absolutely key to your success on the test. It's almost identical and will help you work through it. And last but not least, you have gradebook and email. Gradebook, when you get into your gradebook, do not be afraid of the scores that you see. When you're looking at the gradebook, if you hit show overall score, your score will typically be incredibly low. What I want you to pay attention to is your average score right here on your quizzes and your tests. The way that the study plan works is it has the entire semester's points already added together. So even though I've completed only one section of the study plan, it's going to make it look like I only have a 2.5% in the class. This is absolutely not true. This means I have only completed 2.5% of the entire material for the entire semester. So do not be afraid if your grade is too low. I will teach you how to understand a better weighted average and how you're doing in the class. But these average scores right here are what you want to pay attention to. If you ever need to email me, feel free to click on this email tab and email me there. You can also email me through the assignments themselves. You can email me through Canvas, or you can email me from your personal account. If you need to come in and see me, I am more than available and more than willing to make myself available to meet up with you during a scheduled time. I hope you have a wonderful semester. Most of you, this is probably your final math class, so hopefully we're making it as easy and clear as possible. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure to take that orientation quiz back in Canvas, or I will have to withdraw you from class starting Thursday morning. Best of luck this semester, and let me know whatever I can do to help you succeed.